Oxford taught me the importance of serving others and making a difference. Oxford helped me understand the power of education in overcoming injustice. Oxford broadened my perspectives and shaped my approach to leadership. Oxford strengthened my resolve to fight for justice and equality. Oxford instilled in me a lifelong love for learning and education. Oxford showed me the significance of peaceful activism and social change. Oxford deepened my understanding of history and politics. Oxford challenged me to think critically and boldly. Oxford inspired me to strive for greatness and led with integrity. Oxford fueled my passion for scientific discovery and invention. Oxford expanded my knowledge and shaped my scientific thinking. Oxford encouraged my curiosity and passion for technology. Oxford showed me the power of education to change the world. Oxford enabled me to explore the wonders of the universe and beyond. Oxford taught me the importance of perseverance in the face of adversity. Oxford prepared me to face challenges with courage and determination. Oxford deepened my spirituality and commitment to social justice. Oxford inspired me to think differently and pursue my dreams. Oxford strengthened my resolve to fight for women's rights and equality. Oxford taught me the value of compassion and inner peace. Thank you very much for watching.